Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on hiding clock and date in Windows 11 taskbar. If you want to hide or remove the clock and date in Windows 11 system tray, then you need to use a freeware tool Win11 Clock Toggler, download link provided in video description. The benefit of this freeware is that it allows you to hide the system tray completely, including the clock and date. How to hide the clock and date in Windows 11? To remove the clock and date in Windows 11, first, download Win11 Clock Toggler tool. Then, extract the contents of the zip file into a folder. Next, double-click on the Win11 Clock Toggler GUI.exe file to open it. Now, turn off the notification area toggle switch. Finally, click the Toggle Visibility button. Now, all the elements from the system tray will disappear, including the clock and date. However, the application's downside is that the setting won't be preserved. When you restart your computer, you need to repeat the steps again to hide everything from the system tray. Goodbye. See you in the next video.